How to fix your payment method is declining on Instagram or on your iOS setting. For this, what you have to do is you have to refresh your network connection, your device setting, or your iPhone payment page. I will simply open my setting and here click on my name of the top of the screen and then click on the third option, that is payment and shippings. In this payment and shipping option, you will see a lot of options like your payment. You have to first authorize your mobile phone out of, let me just verify myself with my face ID here. Now you will see my payment setting in front of you. From here I can simply add any balance to my account and then try to pay it through my account here. But the fact is my transaction method is not working right now. I have to verify it. So how you can simply verify it? As you can see, Apple has requested rupees 2000 from my Paytm account. If I will approve this, the payment will be successful. If this payment is not working with you, what you have to do is simply verify the payment method or simply restart your device, because this error usually occurs due to the network connection. So after doing or refreshing your device, you won't face any type of error like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.